What is up, everybody? It is your boy checking back in. We got Big Lou.
Oh shit.
He said he's trying to show something. Fresh video, might as well start it off right. It's a perfect time to show you guys the ZL1 got back tog land out that we gotta show you guys as well. And it's a perfect time to just start this video off. So let's see. Big Lou said he got something to say. God damn. That motherfucker is running. Holy shit. Yeah. Give me something to clean, baby. God damn. And I think it is perfect timing to show you guys the nice final. I don't even know what to say. This car leaves me speechless. The last little glance, the final look at everything. We got everything nice and cleaned up. If you follow me on Instagram, you kind of been seeing over the weeks, the last couple weeks, what exactly I've been on. But just to give you guys a quick breakdown, every single thing got touched from top to bottom, bumper to bumper. Every single thing got cleaned up, polished, aluminum polished. If it had paint on there as far as the frame, all those yellow parts, everything got polished out. I mean, what I'm talking about, we did everything on this car, everything. This gas tank didn't even look like this when it came in. Now look at that. When I tell you guys we did everything, I mean we did everything. So this bad boy is officially going back with its owner. Plug this light up really quick. Loud ass compressor. Alright, now we got some light. Got this light nice. Gotta show you guys everything. Can't just show you guys little peeks. We gotta show you everything, so you guys see it. Like I said, frame, everything got touched. Everything needed something. Everything got touched. What up, dog? Yeah, I'm coming. 1 second. Alright, now I can finish showing you guys. Everything got touched, from the door sills to the gas pedal, brake pedal, everything got touched. That is pretty much that. Yeah, you see the frame. Nasty. That's pretty much that. We did everything. Paint correction, interior detail, suspension cleaned up, everything top to bottom, bumper to bumper. And it's time to send this bad boy back home. it is definitely time to start getting you guys some footage. Big Lou just pulled up with another car. I didn't even show you guys yesterday when he got here, but he obviously got here acting crazy with the ZL1. And then he got the Cutlass that was right behind him, which I didn't record. And then he just got here with the 71 dog as well. So time to start showing you guys that and get you guys some footage. We got the guys washing up this nice little Jeep right now with the big old blue wheels. Yeah, everything done on that bad boy. I like how he got all those little blue touches. Blue, 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 blue. Nice little Jeep. But Big Lou came through with that shit. You guys see him over there messing with the car right now. I think he got something happening with the lights. But this is the Cutlass that I was telling you guys. That came right behind him, and I did not have I had time, but I was just, slacking. Your boy be slacking. But as you guys can see, we already got a head start on this car. Got the engine bay nice and prepped up. There's still a lot to do under here. We're not those detailers that just throw a bunch of shine everywhere and call it a day. It's a whole lot of touch-ups to do and a whole lot of cleaning up still. So we got the Cutlass nice and prepped up. With that big old 9-inch lip. Ooh. Nasty. And a nice little cloth top. Nasty, nasty. Trunk, you could tell they're obviously still putting together. Man, this thing is super nasty. And this is just a prep work. Once we actually start laying some machine on here, then you guys already know. This motherfucker's gonna shine a little bit more. Big Lou ski.
You got a controller right here for the lights?
A controller? The one for my truck, yeah. Yeah, give me 1 second. Ooh. Ooh, if you want to go in my blue pickup, in the blue one, there should be one sitting right there on the cup holder. I got one right there. You guys see Big Lou with that big ass turbo. So this is another one. This is the one that was going crazy. All in the salt, dirt, donuts. Everybody thought it was a raffle car. Y'all got it all the way mixed the fuck up. I don't even got these nice little chrome hinges. Look at Big Lou. Got everything on this motherfucker. I want you guys to see the inside because this motherfucker is filthy. Filthy, filthy. You know, you were talking a lot about Bag Talks mats. For yours to look like this, Big Lou.
Yeah, I know.
He said, I know. You're saying a lot about Bag Talks floor mats. Now we gotta see if we can bring yours back to life. Yeah. But you guys see, obviously, the engine bay. All that had to, come on, man. We haven't started the inside yet, brother, man. The engine bay, this was another one that we just prepped up. Got everything nice and cleaned up. Power wash everything under. As far as salt, there's not no salt under there. Because that's what everybody was concerned about in the comments. Big Lou doing it in the salt. All in the salt. I will never do that shit in the salt. Woo, woo, woo. And then he got the dunk. This is his main baby, and this motherfucker came dirty too. Man, you be treating these cars like some Honda Civics. He said somebody couldn't cash out the fleet. Look at this. Look at this. Oh. This is gonna be a nice cleanup. This is another one that we gotta get prepped up and ready for Florida, because these boys are about to go over there and get them just as dirty as they are right now. But they're gonna be shining in the process. Big Lou with that 71. This is a 71, right? Ooh. Ooh. Nasty. Nasty, nasty. That's pretty much that. We definitely had to get that little bit of an update. All we got yesterday was Big Lou acting crazy in the ZL1. Didn't even get a chance to show you guys the Cutlass. And it was just perfect timing. We got the Cutlass now. Got the 71. And this coming week, we got a lot of motherfucking work to do. So stay tuned.